Oh, but this weekend there's like so many markets and stuff going on, so I definitely want to check at least one of those out. There's one in particular I want to go to because I saw that there's gonna be food, and it's like a international food. I love trying foods from different cultures. So, oh my gosh, I'm getting hungry just talking about. I love food. I feel like my heart and my stomach are connected. But yeah, I'm so excited. And yes, I'm filming the bathroom because it's pretty as fuck. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. I love learning about different cultures. Like, educate me, please. Man, RIP to the little birdies. Yeah. funny and then like not fully comprehending like the effects of the work you've been putting in, because like I got overly excited. I'm a really expressive person, so something happened. I think I saw something funny or something happened that like excited me, so I started jumping up and down, and I accidentally hit my head on this bitch, but it was hard. And I was like, oh my god, I hope the upstairs neighbors don't think I'm like begging on their shit, which they didn't, thank god. But I was just like, I was feeling myself though, because I was like, yo, you know what this means? The quads, the ankles, shit, what else goes on to jumping? Quads, ankle, hamstring, whatever the fuck. It's getting somewhere. I'm just really happy about that. I'm like, shit, pretty soon I could probably, if I wanted to, I could probably go to the NBA.